Are you struggling to complete your employee handbook, or maybe developing systems that really show little or no progress? Or just in general, the whole operations side of your business just doesn't have the focus that you know it needs? Well, you're in luck. We've developed a 4-day class called Elements. And really, it's not really a 4-day class, it's really a 4-day workshop. And we begin with your brand, your vision, your mission, and your values, really establishing that foundation and centering you on exactly what your company is and who your company and what it's about. From there, we move to your employee handbook, the policies and the procedures. And we're going to give you a plug-and-play template. Yes, that's right. We've written all the content for you. You simply need to be an editor. And that's all. Customize it to your desire and what meets the needs of your company, but all the content's already written. Now, within that, we're going to then focus on systems that drive these great outcomes and drive the company forward. And those systems centered around guest care, customer experience, and so on. These things need to be in place. We're going to help you develop those and strengthen your business as well. And throughout all of this, wrapped up in all of it, is communication. And we're going to walk you through templates with communication, give you language around communication, and give you activities that you can take back to communicate in a stronger and clearer way with your company. Now, this is a class you guys have asked for the last 2 years, and we're finally giving it to you. And I know we're excited about it. So we look forward to seeing you soon.